Hey guys, in front of you is a brand new Iqoo 7, 12 GB RAM and 256 GB internal storage MediaTek chipset. In front of you is the interstellar black color. So this video is all about not the review part, just want to show you how the black color looks. And there you go, you can see how the black looks. And this for all the people who are black color lovers. You can see this video, and if you want to purchase, you can go ahead and purchase it. It's costed me around 34,000 something. Alright, thank you.